cute, right? I've lost count of how many styles I just did.
You give me the I shall return, and I must. You got me. Hook on you, hook on you, hook on your up. Hook on you, hook on your up. Hook on you, hook on you, hook on your up. You got me falling in love.
And YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a hair tutorial on how you style your faux locks. There's not much to be said. I will be taking these out. I've had my faux locks in for about a month now, and they've done me justice. I've had my baby for 2 months now, and I just wanted a style before Thanksgiving, going into my birthday, that would last and still look good, and that's usually faux locks for me. I did these myself, of course. But yeah, I will be taking these out. I'm trying to take them out before Christmas time, so I just wanted to make use of it. You know, I got these popping faux locks and might as well do a video showing how I do different styles. This is probably my favorite style, the half up, half down style, to do my hair in. So I'm going to be showing you guys a few styles that you could do if you have faux locks in your hair, not just wear your hair down or wear it to the side. I'm gonna try and be creative and give you guys a few hairstyles, stuff that's, you know, practical. I would wear if you're a little out of the box. I would wear, because I'm a little out of the box. I'm not like a boring girl. I'm usually into a lot of different hairstyles and, like, you know, fashion forward things. So I'm gonna try to give y'all some cute little styles or whatever. I got y'all. So let's jump right into this video. So let's start off really basic, just parted straight down the middle, hair going straight back. This is going to be the first way to wear your hairstyle. You know, some people like to part their hair in the middle and bring all of the faux locks to the front. This is a look. The second style, let's go ahead and do a side part and bring, we're gonna leave 2 rows. So the first row and the second row is gonna be on one side, and we're just gonna swoop all the other rows to the other side. So this is going to be the second style, where you could bring your hair to the front, or you can leave your hair in the back. This is a look, you know? I wear my hair like this a lot too. The third style is going to be flipped on the other side. I don't know if this counts, or I don't know if this is considered cheating, but I'm going to use this as one of the styles. Same thing. I'm just gonna flip it to the other side now, because, you know, some people have sides that they prefer. So, ooh, actually this side is cute. No hair left in the back, or you can put your hair in the back. That's style number 3. For style number 4, we're going to take a few of these in the front, and we're just going to twist them. And leave one out on the side right here. So I'm only using a couple of them like this, and the rest is going to be in the back. I'm just going to put a scrunchie there to hold it. Then you do the same thing to the other side. You just want to take a few in the front, and you're just going to twist them towards the back. I have no particular way that I'm twisting these, and I'm going to leave my side one out right here. And I'm going to twist these. I'm going to leave all of these, and I'm just going to take these. And what we're going to do now is combine these 2 sections right here, combine them in the back. So I'm going to take this scrunchie out, and we're just going to combine these 2 like this. You have the 2 sides out right here, and these are twisted. This is style number 4, or style number 5. I guess I'm gonna use this. You can bring these all to the front, part your hair in the middle and the back, and bring these all to the front. The next style, we're going to twist your hair. You're gonna put some of your hair in the front like this. Then you're gonna start twisting your hair kind of from by your ear over here and twist the entire front. This is a look. And you can clip it. Then you take a section right here, right behind the ear, and then you pull this back and connect the two sides. You can either clip it, or you can do what I am doing, and you can use a scrunchie and just secure that like this. I think it would be cute with the opposition. So the twist going towards this way, and then you pull your hair towards the front like this. For the next style, we will do one of my favorites. I'm just gonna pull some of these in the front. It doesn't have to be too much so that the back can look fuller. You just wanna pull the ones that's right in the front. And take a scrunchie or a woogie or whatever you guys call it. Hair tie. And you're just going to put that right here. Boom. So now you have half up, half down. And you can wear it in the back like this. Or you can split it in half and bring all your hair to the front like this. So for the next one, you're just going to keep your hair in the half up, half down, and you're just going to wrap the top part into a cute little bun. Boom. And then you could take another woogie. I got this beat up old woogie, but it works, okay? I'm gonna use this. Boom. Now you got a bun on top with your locks in the back. Now you could keep it like this, or what I love to do, split it in the half in the back and bring everything towards the front. Another one you could do really simple. Take a few from the front right here and just pull them back and just secure it with a scrunchie like this. Cute, cute, cute. Or you could leave them in the back like this. So another one you could do, split the hair down the middle once again. And really simple. Two pigtails. All right, the next one you can do, separate from ear to ear, side to side, right here. Leave all these ones in the back over here, and then leave them half half and half like that. Take this, wrap it, and make 2 buns. 1 bun right here. My baby hairs is sweating out. It's always super hot in this bathroom, so if y'all see me recording this bathroom, just know. Secure it with the bun, with the ponytail holder. So now I got my Spice Girl buns. Once again, you can leave the hair in the back, or be cute and bring them to the front. Put your hair behind your ears, super cute style. Another one that you can do, take the same hair right there, put them in a ponytail right here in the front. 1 ponytail here. You can leave them in the back. Or bring them to the front. Then you could do the same thing, but with all your hair. So you split the hair down the middle, take one side, boom, boom. Or you could take one of these out in the front, boom. Take another one out in the front, boom. Take the hair down, do your little ponytail. Boom. Take this one down. It's kind of hard putting your faux locks into high ponytails with all the hair. Take this one. Bring it down. This is another style. You could do one of my most favorite and what I usually wear my hair in during the whole time when I have faux locks. A high bun. You take all your hair, push it all the way to the front. Get a scrunchie. Put your scrunchie over your hair like this. Pull it up. And make sure that the ponytail looks tight. But I only usually wrap my scrunchie one time, like I put it in one time. Then what I like to do for my bun is split this in half, like front and back. Then I take the front and I start twisting. Sit, start twisting, and then I pull this hair towards this side. Twist, and then you just use this hair with this hair, and you just continue twisting. Twist your bun, twist your bun, twist your bun. Like I said, my scrunchie's beat up, but it works. And you take your scrunchie and then tighten your bun. Boom. Bun style is always my favorite because it's out of your way, it's off your skin, your back, your face. It's just up and it's really, really cute. Then of course, you could literally just wear your hair like that. So you take the scrunchie out that was securing the bun, and you basically just wear the high ponytail with it going to the side. This is super cute. You could fluff it out, put some of the hair in the back so it's not so heavy towards the front. This is cute. Wear it the other way. This is like the boho girl style. This is really cute too. Take some of these. You just leave like a couple out in the front. You leave your front out over here. Take some of these. Make a bun in the back right here. Super cute. Another really cute one. Part your hair to the side. Take some in the front. Make a bang. Take some from over here and then you connect it in the back. Then pull all of these back. I don't know if you guys can see. And you kind of make a half bun. Put the scrunchie around it. You could fix these however you want. You could put them on this side, coming on both sides. You could do it on one side, or you could just put them all into a bun. Probably do more styles, but it's getting really hot in my bathroom and I don't want my makeup to sweat off and feel icky and yucky because I just took a shower. So I'm going to wrap this video up. I hope you guys enjoyed all of these faux loc styles. Yeah, maybe when I do box braids, I'll do a box braids video for you guys, or any other style, protective style that I do. I'll try to come through with these type of videos for you guys to help you guys out. So that's all that I have for you guys today. If you already didn't, go ahead and like this video, press that bell and subscribe, turn on those post notifications, you already know. What else? Leave comments down below because I like interacting with people. I wanted to get some feedback, see what you thought of the video, what you didn't like about the video, what you think I should do next time. I just like interaction, and I hope that my channel continues to grow. Thank you for everybody that's been supporting. This is the 2019 year and my goal was to hit 600 subscribers, and I hit 600 subscribers, so I feel amazing. And I can't wait to get some more followers, get some more subscribers, and have you guys join La Familia, you know? Other than that, that's all that I have for you guys. Don't forget to share with your family and friends. And that's about it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.